Good Thursday to you. I'm meteorologist Richard Scott. A cold front moves through the state today, and that drops temperatures back in the 70s for highs. Going to be a nice, refreshing air mass and place. Some showers and storms last night and this morning should be long gone this afternoon, and dry air takes over through the weekend. Saturday and Sunday, we've got plans outdoors looking good. Now we're going to see more clouds than sun at times, and don't expect any rain in the forecast Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, but we'll have a partly to mostly cloudy sky at times through at least Sunday. Then we should go sunny by Monday and Tuesday. Again, temperatures much cooler, highs back in the 70s today, 77 on average. Again, that 40% chance of the morning rain showers, a couple of thunderstorms involved. We go dry later this afternoon during the day on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Football Friday, Tuscaloosa, Alabama football game playing at home this weekend on Saturday. Temperatures top out in those lower 80s, and check out lows tonight down in the 50s Friday morning, Saturday morning, close to 59 or 60 by Sunday morning.